So let's go right now. Jesus, why am I missing that? So right, uh, right now we are dealing with something completely different, which is hardwood, not hardwood, a hard exponent. So like the exponent is hard, so we're gonna do something that I showed you in the previous video, so that we can cancel out the exponent and get the final answer that we are looking for. So they gave us solve for v cube is equal to negative 11. So in order to get the v, so we need to cancel the 3, and to cancel the 3, so we'll need to raise it to 3. The way, what I mean by saying raise it to 3 is actually getting the square root of, not the square root, getting the cube root of the v cube that they gave us, so that we can have a 3 and 3 as an index and as an exponent, so that they can be cancelled out and we'll end up having the v. Don't forget that we'll also need to do that for the other side too. So let's go and get into it. So it's solved for v cube is equal to negative 11. So it will be equal to, first of all, square root, cube root. So I'm just gonna say root in this case because it's not a square root. Root of v cube index 3 is equal to root of negative 11 index 3. Those three will be cancelled out, so we ended up having v is equal to 3. A 3 index root of negative 11. Like the index is odd, so you can either write it this way, 3. We can either write it this way, 3 index root of negative 11, or you write it the other way around, which is negative 11. Negative 11 index of 11. Index, no, sorry, negative, so you can do index 3 negative root of 11. So those are like the two ways that you can actually write it. That's the way one or way two. If you do write it like either way one or the other, so we're not gonna get penalized for it because it's pretty much the same thing. I do know it's not really straightforward to pick up, but I'm gonna do other exercise about it so that you guys can get comfortable with it. So just stick around and I'll see you in exercise 6.